Well, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome. Good evening. You're looking absolutely fabulous, each and every one of you in this hall. Let me introduce myself. My name is Riaz Basha, and I'll be your host for the day. And I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to this hall on behalf of Brands Academy and the entire team. Okay, Brands Academy as a team, ladies and gentlemen, you know, is the only organization in the country, in India, to offer a platform like this. It's unparalleled to provide recognition and exposure to the efforts and contribution of individual professionals, small businesses, technology startups and companies, SMEs and fast-growing organizations towards the economic growth of the country, and also generating, by the way, employment for Indian youth while establishing credible business for yourself. Brands Academy Excellence Awards are meant to recognize the contribution being made by business leaders, visionary entrepreneurs and technopreneurs, dedicated professionals, and various business, service, and technology organizations that are continually striving for excellence in their own respective fields. Brands Academy is the pioneer in the promotion of this unique concept and has successfully implemented in North and Western India as well. The Southern India Business and Service Excellence Awards and, ladies and gentlemen, Technology Excellence Awards are two of those most coveted awards which are a part of Brands Academy's pursuit of excellence to recognize your talent. So without further ado, okay, here's what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to have to welcome him in the hall because he is Sir VVS Lakshman. He's right there in the corner. He's walking into us. A warm welcome, sir. He's gracing this occasion. For those of you who love cricket, this is your dream come true because you're not only getting to see him amongst us, you're also going to get to receive awards from him. Sir, may I please request you to join us on stage, please? Sir, we're all honored here today to have you here with us today. I'd like to request you to please say a few words to all our winners as well this evening.
Firstly, thank you for this kind words again. I would like to thank the Brand Academy Awards for giving me an opportunity to be amidst all of you. It's definitely my privilege. Why do I say it's my privilege and honor to be amidst all of you this evening is because all of you are achievers. And thank you very much for having me over here. I think it's a great initiative and I'm sure that all of you deserve this award. All of you deserve this recognition and a huge round of applause for all of you. Thank you very much.
Somebody who's played a very important role in getting these awards going for us are our sponsors. And so it's time for us to extend a heartfelt thanks to all the partners and sponsors without the support of whom this magnificent event wouldn't have seen its evening. First and foremost, I'd like to introduce you all to this very beautiful venue, the hospitality partner, the amazing Lalit Ashok, Bangalore, and the entire team. Can we have a round of applause going out to them, please? The place is excellent, the food is excellent, and the service is really top class. So give them a round of applause. And we'd like to also extend our gratitude to our official media partners, including the TV media partner, Bloomberg India. Round of applause again for them. Our magazine partner, Delhi Press. Our visual media partner, AdLabs. Outdoor media partners, Starshine. Our gift partners, Gifton, for partnering with us for this event today. We'd like to also thank our media partners for making it possible for us to showcase the achievements of our winners on the national level, which is a matter of great pride for all concerned. Also, let us thank our road travel partner, carsonrent.com, and entertainment partner, Step Up Dance Lab. So without further ado, the most awaited part of this evening now going to unfold because I'm going to call upon for the names of the recipients of various awards. And ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for Best Gynecology and Obstetrician Clinic in Bangalore. And a little about the recipient. This women's clinic and surgery was started by husband and wife duo Dr. Elias Singhan and Dr. Prabhas Singhan in 1990 with precedence of giving focused quality healthcare principally to the women residing in Bangalore. The motto is Excellence in Women's Healthcare Redefined. And this is located in bustling South Bangalore, that's in Jayanagar, opposite Big Bazaar in Bangalore Central. The clinic's main objective has since then been the identification of problems related to a female body as early as possible and provide herewith the appropriate treatment. So ladies and gentlemen, the award for Best Gynecology and Obstetrician Clinic in Bangalore goes to EMPCS Women's Clinic and Surgery. And may I please request the owner, Dr. Elia Singhan, to please come up on stage. and Dr. Prabhat Singh as well. They're coming together. What they started together, receive the award together as well. What's the full form of EPMC? I mean, is that a long acronym for something, sir?
Prabha Maternity Center. Ilya is my half name and Prabha is her.
Excellent. All right. So would you like to say a few words for us, sir?
First and foremost, I would like to thank Brands Academy for the excellent work of research they have done to get the best of people who are doing a good job. I am a small organization compared to all the big giants around in town, yet they could find and give me this award. So that is their excellence in their research. Because we have patients not only from Bangalore, from all over the country as well as Maldives and Sri Lanka and Indonesia and Singapore, which is my own country. So I'm proud of the service we are doing, and is also India is my family and Indians are my family members. With that in mind, the awards are given. That is an excellent thing. And if we could go ahead with that sort of attitude, without caste or religion in consideration, India will be in the top of the world. And I once again say to Brands Academy, you have done in every angle a beautiful job. Even your entertainment program and organization and everything has been excellent. It is a memorable day in our life. Thanks again for your organization. And I would, as far as my practice success goes, it goes to my family, my wife in particular, and my staff and the doctors associated, because we get all the best people to come and contribute to get that success. I also remember and also like to thank Mr. Lakshman for having remembered his parents' contribution for him to what he is. Otherwise he would have been a doctor. So in that same way, I have got a younger boy who's good in tennis, but I'm promoting him to get his papers first before he goes into tennis. Because even Krishna Bhupati said he has got a great talent. But I think the toilet paper is more important also as the world is changing. Because sports is today becoming, is not as what is earlier, is more of more effort, more strain, more other factors come in, is no more, it is so much of physical activities. Thanks once again for the organization for having given us this opportunity to receive. And in the interest of the country, I hope each one of these excellence will give a better name for the country and people contribute for the country and India becomes greater. Thanks once again.
So truly, let me add, sir, one of those moments in my life where I never wanted to find the stop button, sir, because you were talking from your heart.
I'll just request you, because you mentioned that I talked about my parents encouraging me. They gave me the independence, they gave me the freedom to choose what I wanted to achieve. And when Mahesh Bhupati's dad, Krishna, himself, a very good tennis player and a tennis enthusiast, has got a eye to catch the talent and spot the talent in a player. If he has recognized the talent in your son, I think you should encourage him, because every profession has got its pluses and minuses. And now you can take sports as a career, unlike probably when I chose cricket as my career. So I think India requires eminent doctors, no doubt about that, but India also requires quality tennis players. You saw Leander at the age of 40 getting a Grand Slam championships in US. So I encourage you to encourage your son to play cricket, to play tennis. If he's talented in cricket, please encourage even cricket.
What your father gave you the opportunity in your decision, I give it to my son to decide and go about. Thanks a lot.
So I'll tell you, yeah, so we have this on cameras, okay? So you can't go back and cheat your son, huh? We have this on cameras. Okay, and second thing I like to say, आपने पैसा कमाया ना, बच्चे को खेलने दो अभी.